The Super Badge is reserved for Buick's most premium models and represents a perfect union of grace and power. Buick's supermodels are the Lucerne Super and the LaCrosse Super. For 2009, Buick supermodels replaced the previous CXS models as Buick's performance nameplates. For 2009, both supermodels offer new advanced technologies and continue to offer impressive premium appointments. Let's start by looking at Lucerne Super. Lucerne Super offers several new technologies for 2009. XM-Nav traffic is available, and it delivers regularly updated traffic and road information to Lucerne Super's available touchscreen navigation system. Another new technology available on Lucerne Super is OnStar Destination Download. It allows destinations to be entered into the touchscreen navigation system using a single OnStar button push. An OnStar advisor downloads the destination you request to your navigation screen while you're on the go, so there's no need to stop driving. Visit OnStar.com for more information. Another new feature for 2009 is Bluetooth for phone. It's standard on Lucerne Super and permits hands-free operation of compatible cell phones through the vehicle's audio system. Also new for the 2009 Lucerne Super is an available chrome-plated aluminum wheel. Completing Lucerne Super's updates for 2009 are new exterior paint choices. Cyber Gray Metallic and Mystic Sapphire Tricoat are new for 2009. They join Black Onyx, Gold Mist Metallic, Dark Mocha Metallic, Quicksilver Metallic, and White Diamond Tricoat as exterior color selections. Sharkskin is discontinued for 2009. The other member of the Buick Super portfolio is the exciting LaCrosse Super. It boasts the highest top speed of any production Buick. Available for 2009, LaCrosse Super adds the convenience of Bluetooth for phone. The other notable change for the 2009 LaCrosse Super is exterior paint. Quicksilver Metallic replaces Platinum Metallic. Other available colors include Black Onyx, Dark Mocha Metallic, and Red Jewel Tint Coat. Scarlet Red is discontinued. With its sophisticated luxury, assertive design, and heightened performance, the LaCrosse Super continues to be a winner for 2009.
For 2009, Buick offers two distinct Super Series models, the 292 horsepower Lucerne Super and the 300 horsepower LaCrosse Super. The Super Badge is reserved for Buick's most premium models and represents a perfect union of grace and power. For 2009, Buick supermodels replaced previous CXS models as Buick's performance vehicles. The 292 horsepower Lucerne Super combines exceptional performance and handling with enhanced luxury, while the exciting 300 horsepower LaCrosse Super has the highest top speed of any production Buick. Each supermodel delivers exclusive design and luxury appointments with powertrain and suspension features that elevate the driving experience. For 2009, Buick offers two distinct Super Series models, the 292 horsepower Lucerne Super and the 300 horsepower LaCrosse Super. The Super Badge is reserved for Buick's most premium models and represents a perfect union of grace and power. For 2009, Buick supermodels replaced previous CXS models as Buick's performance vehicles. The 292 horsepower Lucerne Super combines exceptional performance and handling with enhanced luxury, while the exciting 300 horsepower LaCrosse Super has the highest top speed of any production Buick. Each supermodel delivers exclusive design and luxury appointments with powertrain and suspension features that elevate the driving experience. The Super Series was engineered by GM's Performance Division. Both Lucerne Super and LaCrosse Super are powered by high-output V8 engines that are not offered on other Buick models. Lucerne Super demonstrates a more sophisticated, controlled approach to performance. Lacrosse Super's performance is characterized by an assertive, enthusiastic attitude. Lucerne Super also provides exceptional power output. It's equipped with the powerful 4.6-liter dual overhead cam Northstar V8 engine. It produces 292 horsepower and 288 pound-feet of torque. Northstar V8 engines run with the world's best, earning praise for their power, launch capability, and world-class performance. The engine's electronic throttle control effectively anticipates the driver's demands and responds appropriately with outstanding throttle response and greater reliability than a mechanical connection. The 4.6-liter Northstar V8 is mated with the smooth-shifting Hydromatic 4T80 4-speed automatic transmission, one of the most robust front-wheel drive transaxles in the world, with an outstanding record of long-term durability. Standard advanced calibration logic helps ensure smooth, precise shifting, while adaptive learning logic tailors response to your driving style for optimum shifting performance. Lacrosse Super's 5.3-liter V8 is part of the LS family of engines, which are used in many GM performance vehicles, including the Corvette. This powerful and efficient 5.3-liter V8 engine produces 300 horsepower and 323 pound-feet of torque. Lacrosse Super has a 0 to 60 speed of just 5.9 seconds and a top speed of over 150 miles per hour. The 5.3-liter V8 engine also includes the advanced technology of active fuel management. In certain light load conditions, active fuel management shuts down alternate cylinders on each bank, allowing the engine to operate as an efficient V4. This provides improved fuel economy of up to 8%. When the driver demands full acceleration, the engine instantly returns to V8 operation. The transition occurs in milliseconds and is virtually imperceptible. And even with its exhilarating power capabilities, the 300 horsepower Lacrosse Super has impressive fuel economy. It's EPA estimated at 16 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. The Hydromatic 4T65 4-speed automatic transmission manages power for Lacrosse Super. The transmission uses advanced calibration logic for smooth takeoffs, impressive acceleration, and precise shifting. Both Buick Super Series models are equipped with performance-enhanced chassis systems that include performance-tuned suspensions, larger brakes and stabilizer bars, unique bushings, and larger wheels and tires. Both Lucerne Super and Lacrosse Super are front-wheel drive and have four-wheel independent suspensions. On Lucerne Super, handling is heightened with the addition of a thicker front stabilizer bar, higher rate front and rear coil springs, and magnetic ride control. The result is a more agile ride with faster response and improved control. A key component of Lucerne Super's enhanced handling and control is its standard magnetic ride control technology. This ride management system uses magnetic force to instantaneously react to changing road conditions, helping reduce body roll in cornering or lane changes. Magnetically charged particles in a synthetic fluid continuously adjust the fluid's viscosity in response to road surfaces and driving characteristics. It greatly increases driver control and tire contact with the road and is capable of adjusting to changing road conditions up to 1,000 times per second. On Lacrosse Super, the special ride and handling suspension has been tuned to complement the added power of the 300 horsepower 5.3-liter V8 engine. It adds Bilstein monotube struts with gas-charged valving and thicker front and rear stabilizer bars that help control body roll. Handling performance and control are also enhanced thanks to standard four-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, full-range traction control, and bigger brakes on both Lucerne Super and Lacrosse Super. Lucerne Super provides bigger front brake rotors than Lucerne CX and CXL, while Lacrosse Super adds larger front and rear rotors. Super Series models also have standard StabiliTrak, which adds another level of control, especially during severe handling maneuvers. The system on Lucerne Super includes brake assist, which optimizes braking at each wheel. Another dynamic enhancement drivers will feel is steering. Both Super models benefit from the maneuverability of magnetic variable assist power rack and pinion steering, and a premium steering gear that provides more steering response and enhanced precision. Handling on both Super models is complemented by big standard 18-inch aluminum wheels and premium all-season tires that soak up road imperfections for a smooth, refined ride. In addition to the many premium standard appointments on Lucerne and LaCrosse, Super models add exclusive exterior and interior appointments and more standard equipment. Both are offered exclusively with 5-passenger seating. The 2009 Lucerne Super takes the inherent sophistication of Lucerne and adds even more luxurious appointments. Lucerne Super has more assertive exterior styling, with an exclusive bright chrome waterfall grille that's more pronounced. Standard fog lamps and a unique front fascia, rocker panels, and 18-inch bright silver-finished aluminum wheels create a strong, bold look. Chrome-plated 18-inch wheels are also available and are a great complement to the chrome grille, dual chrome exhaust tips, super deck lid molding, and chrome deck lid badge. Inside, Lucerne Super features exclusive appointments including a leather-wrapped instrument panel with distinctive French seamed stitching, a heated genuine walnut steering wheel and matching walnut shifter, a unique center stack with Nova Silver finish, Super Series front sill plates, and premium embroidered floor mats. The full effect is understated luxury. Front bucket seats provide an added measure of comfort and are covered in supple perforated suede seat trim. The suede trim also carries over to the door trim. Heated and cooled power and front passenger seats with power lumbar are standard. Other standard features provide first-class travel and include power tilt and telescoping steering column, an auto-dimming inside rear-view mirror with compass display, the driver confidence package that includes a remote vehicle starter system, heated washer fluid, rain-sense wipers, ultrasonic rear parking assist, and a content theft alarm. The 2009 Lucerne Super also offers advanced vision aid technologies, including lane departure warning and side blind zone alert. LaCrosse Super's unique front fascia includes an integrated aerodynamic splitter. It helps cool the 300 horsepower engine by adding airflow and producing greater stability. The lower grille's opening includes chrome trim and standard fog lamps with chrome bezels. At the side, LaCrosse Super has distinctive portholes, rocker moldings, and bold 18-inch wheels. The rear fascia has integrated sensors for ultrasonic rear park assist, while a unique rear deck lid spoiler, dual chrome exhaust tips, and super badging add a final performance touch. LaCrosse Super's interior is luxurious, adding sophisticated appointments that include tasteful warm chestnut wood grain accents, a center stack with a Nova Silver finish, and exclusive instrument cluster graphics. Nova Silver front sill plates and premium embroidered floor mats complete the look. Premium touches continue with the driver and front passenger seats, which are enhanced with dual firmness foam on the seat backs and increased bolstering for enhanced support during spirited driving. 6-way driver and front passenger seats with 2-way power lumbar are standard. And so are luxurious leather-appointed seats with leather Dreamweave inserts. LaCrosse Super also comes with more premium standard equipment, including rear reading lights, a split-folding rear seat, universal home remote, ultrasonic rear parking assist, and auto-dimming inside rearview mirror. In addition, all Buicks include quiet tuning technology. This exclusive and all-encompassing approach to noise reduction creates a serene and exceptionally quiet interior. Standard on Lucerne Super is the premium 280-watt Harman Kardon 9-speaker audio system. It includes AM/FM stereo, MP3, 6-disc CD changer, and an auxiliary input jack. An advanced audio system with DVD-based touchscreen navigation is also available. Destination Download allows destinations to be entered into your touchscreen navigation system using a single OnStar button push. An OnStar advisor downloads the destination you request to your navigation screen while you're on the go, so there's no need to stop driving. Visit OnStar.com for more information. The LaCrosse Super features a 9-speaker Concert Sound 3 audio system with AM/FM stereo and CD/MP3 player. New for 2009 is Bluetooth for phone connectivity. It's standard on Lucerne Super and is available on LaCrosse Super. Bluetooth lets you connect compatible cell phones to the vehicle's audio system, providing hands-free cell phone operation. Like all 2009 Buicks, the Super Series models are equipped with additional standout technologies. OnStar's Directions and Connections plan with turn-by-turn navigation provides easy-to-use directional guidance at the touch of a button. Grace, sophistication, and power are seamlessly fused together to create the Super Series.